Hi guys, what's going on? This is Ashraf here from AhmadAshraf.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review Venkataraman's Storm. This is a web application compatible with both Mac and PC as well as mobile. What this will do is it will lift heavy work for you and it will enable you to generate income using Pinterest and PayPal with free traffic, guys. So this product is coming to you all on 7th October 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch will be there till 12th October midnight Eastern Standard Time, that is New York time. During this period you are going to get this product for one-time price and lifetime enjoyment. Okay, so today I will walk you all through my bonus page, sales page, members area and everything. To get this product, what you have to do is in this YouTube description there is a link. If you click that link you will come to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And if you scroll a little bit down, there are link bars here in three different intervals. If you click this here, it will take you all to the sales page, and if you click this again in this bar, it will take you to the checkout page. You can pay and get this Storm for one-time price. Okay, so now we'll see more about this Storm. Okay, this is Storm is a web application, as I told you before, compatible with both Mac and PC and mobile, that makes it impossible to not see results. Okay, that's because Storm does all the heavy lifting for you every step of the way. So whether you are a green grass newbie or an experienced marketer who isn't seeing the result that want online, it will work for you guys. So that is the Storm in nutshell. Okay, as I told you, with this Storm I'm going to throw some excellent bonuses completely free of charge. We'll see now what are those bonuses I'm going to throw with this. My first bonus is that is lockdown formula. This is another income generation method to do during this lockdown period. This is also will generate more income for you all. And my second bonus tutorial is another course that will teach you how to generate income using your mobile. Okay, this is the Access Jonas Mobile course. This is also going to show you how to generate income using your mobile phone. My third bonus tutorial is that is how to build a website for dummies. Now you need websites for everything nowadays. You do anything, you need a website. For that you have to build a website. There are other platforms who do that work for you for a fee, but the minimum fee they charge is $200. So if you want to make more than one website, how much you have to spend? But if you buy this Storm today from my link, which is in the description, the YouTube description, you are going to get this tutorial for free of charge. This tutorial will show you how to build the website from scratch. So if you experience this, you can create any number of websites for you, and as well as you can create website and sales for your clients. Okay, my fourth bonus is another bonus tutorial. This is Access Know and all the upsells. This is a time sensitive bonus tutorial. First 12 hours only it will be there. What this will do is, now if you have a TikTok account, let's see you're a fresh or you have few followers, this will go and follow the big followers. You know, there are big people with hundreds of thousands of followers. So if you are going to grab those followers by yourself, they will block your account. TikTok will block your account. But if this is a Chrome extension. If you install this Chrome extension, and if you go and find a big guru in a TikTok and ask and execute this extension, this will go and follow his followers to your account. By that you are going to get some more traffic to your account, and in later you can sell any offers to those cold traffic. And the fifth bonus tutorial is that is the vendor bonuses. All the vendor bonuses are in this members area. So that is in the sales page. I have come to the sales page of the vendor, and you can see with this Storm we are going to throw some vendors also allocated some bonuses. Now we'll see those one by one. The first vendor bonus is that is Storm Drive. This app gives you unlimited cloud hosting for free. No longer will you have to be held hostage by Google or Dropbox, and give them hundreds every year. So how nice it is, because I'm going to throw a bonus which you can create. This one you can create websites, and you are going to get a free drive with this Storm, that you can host the websites free of charge. How nice it is. Just you're going to get this for one-time price. I'm going to tell you the price in a while. Okay, first, second vendor bonus, that is send. Tired of paying monthly fee for autoresponders? Then don't. With Storm Send, you are going to get unlimited emails to your subscriber for free with this bonus, guys. So again, now you know, to send email marketing is another lucrative business in this online system. Okay, for that you have to send unlimited amounts of emails to your clients if you have a list. Okay, now there are autoresponders based on the size of your list. They will charge different subscription every month. But in this, with this Storm, you're going to get an autoresponder to send unlimited email, that you can send any number of email to anyone at any time, just for one-time price of this Storm. Okay, you're going to pay for Storm, and you're going to get another 2 excellent vendor bonuses along with my bonuses. And the third one, the bonus is, that is Storm Funnels, another great tutorial, great tool made by the Storm development team. This serves as a free replacement to your funnel builder, allowing you to save thousands of dollars again yearly, guys. Now you may know about ClickFunnels, how much they charge for a month. And this tutorial, if you get this Storm today, you're going to get this bonus tutorial free of charge, that is to build funnels for you guys. And now the fourth vendor bonus is YouTube Nation, most complete marketing solution for YouTube ever created. Okay, and the fifth is Facebook Nation. Facebook Nation is a social media marketing tool that allows and helps you to easily auto post, schedule Instagram posts along with Facebook, Twitter, and many more. It's also can manage multiple social networks, schedule posts, increase your traffic, and engage your audience. Those are the 5 vendor bonuses you're going to get along with my 4 bonuses, which is $1,300 worth, guys. Okay, for that you're going to get all those free of charge with this Storm for one-time price. Now I'm coming back to my bonus page to show the prices. Now the front end is just $17, guys. That with this $17, what you're going to get is access the powerful Storm software and the training modules, and my $1,300 worth, and the vendor bonuses. You are going to get. For the time being, you need only the front end. After that, once you implementing and once you start to earn, you can go and upgrade for the other upsells, because other upsells also necessary. Okay, now we'll see what are the other upsells. Okay, that is Storm Unlimited, that is just $37. Experience Storm without limits. Create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capability on everything inside your account. That is the first one. Second as a upsell is Storm Done for You. That is don't want to do it yourself, then we'll do the work for you. We'll fine tune your Storm account to the optimal settings so it's ready to start generating traffic like a well-oiled machine. Okay, guys, that is the second upsell. Third upsell is don't want to wait 1 week for results, then don't. With this upgrade, the average user profit is within 1 hour. Okay, guys, that is the third upsell. The fourth upsell is, in this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. Okay, that means they will do all the work for you all instead of you doing those things. Okay, the fifth upsell is, this is your chance to steal my 10 proven done for you site that makes me 805 per day. Traffic is built into them, and they are 100% automated, allowing you to enjoy passive income, guys. The sixth upsell is, this will allow you to sell Storm and keep the commission across the entire funnel. Those are the upsells. Now, as I told you, you need only the front end. Once you started to generate income, you can go and upgrade for the upsells, because those also necessary. And here are some key benefits you may benefit in interested in getting. We are enjoying PayPal cash on command. We made over $204,942 with Storm. Get paid $250 if you don't make money with Storm. Just one click for us to start receiving profits, even fresh off the street. Begin our profiting. Thousands of users are making money using this Storm, guys. Now I'm going to take you to the sales page. This is the sales page. It just looks like something like this, and here they're talking about this $39.9 billion breakthrough pays us for copying and pasting. Controversial breakthrough pays us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes for copying and pasting. Whether we want more profit, we rinse and repeat. Whenever we want more profits, we rinse and repeat. That is the Storm, guys. So now if you come down here, and here they're saying we are enjoying PayPal cash on command. We have made over $204,942 with Storm. Just one click for us to start receiving profits. Thousands of users are making money with this. 180-day money back guarantee also there. Get paid $250 if you don't make money with Storm. Even fresh off the street, beginners are profiting with this, guys. Okay, now if you go further down, they're talking again here. There's another good opportunity. Free iPhone 13 giveaway. That is free. We are giving away 10 iPhone 13s to the first 150 buyers of Storm. So we make use of this, guys. So as I told you, to get this product, what you have to do is in this YouTube description there's a link. If you click that link, you will come to my bonus page, which looks something like this. If you click in this bar, it will take to the sales page, and if you click here, you're going to get this product for $17. And if you are within the first 10 people, for the 150 buyers, you're going to get iPhone as well as you're going to get some 1,300 worth my bonuses, and the vendor bonuses are very worth bonuses you will not get anywhere for this $17, guys. Okay, if you go further down here, they are talking again about the benefits of this Storm, and you can read visually. If I start to read this video will take for a long time, because they have explained everything. What is the benefits, how you have to set up, how these beta testers are got paid, and everything is there. Till talking in this sales page, guys. So I'm leaving that work for you all to read leisurely and understand this more about this Storm. This is the guy Venkataraman who is behind this Storm, guys. But he's not a newbie to the world. He's not a newbie for this product creation. He has done many products, and all those products are launched via Warrior Plus. You can go and see how much how many products so far he has produced. Okay, so now this is also another one of his greatest product, guys. So now I'm going to take you all to the members area. Once you buy this, guys, now they have given, this is a very simple work. Now this is the training module they're talking about. Oh, again it's asking to log in. I'm sorry, again it is asking to log in. I have to go and go for it will take a little bit time. So again I'm explaining, because before recording this review video, I came to the members area and I went and saw everything they have given in a video format, and there's only one video format that you have to follow. After that you can implement everything nicely. Okay, so again I'm insisting is once you buy this product for $17 from my link, okay, please go through the training, full training. Okay, then only you will get the correct picture of this Storm, guys. If you skip a video, or if you miss part of the training, you are not going to get the correct picture, and that will affect your implementation and the income generation. So guys, my kind request is to follow the instructions given by these people properly, without skipping a single sentence in the video, and without skipping the videos, to get the correct and good picture, guys. So that is That is the most about the Storm review. Now I will show you how to get this product, get these bonuses once you buy this Storm for $17 from my account. Now once you buy this, as I told you, this product is launched via Warrior Plus. After purchasing, if you hover your mouse near the account section in the Warrior Plus, a menu will pop down. In that menu you have purchase history. If you click that, you will come to this voucher, and in this voucher, if you click this blue color bar, you will get this product, this Storms bonuses, complete bonuses to your computer without any difficulties, guys. Okay, so that's all I have to talk about this Storm review. If you have any questions, or if there is any clarification you need, please do not hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section of this YouTube. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon, because I used to review cloud-based softwares, IT products, how to make videos, how to make money online, and smart tutorials. All those will be notified once you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, guys. And also, even if you are a new or old one, please smash that like button, which will go, because I really mean that, because it will really create a good impact in this YouTube algorithm, guys. So before leaving, even if you are again I'm telling, even if you are a newbie, or my friends or the people who are watching second time or third time this video, please smash that like button before you're going. And again, I wish you all the best of success with this Storm. Before going, I'm again reminding, the launch is on 7th October 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch will be there till 12th October midnight Eastern Standard Time. During this period, you're going to get this product for $12 and $1,300 worth my bonuses, and again priceless vendor bonuses also you're going to get with this Storm for just $17, guys. Okay, guys, thank you very much all the way. If you're watching this video all the way, thank you very much, and I wish you all the best of success with Storm. See you soon. Bye bye.